Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You guys know how much I love experimenting with different things, be it fashion, beauty, food and whatnot. So today I decided to try my hands on these two products from Oriental Botanics. Now I have been using their products from quite some time now, but when they sent me their new range of products, I was way too excited to review them for you guys. What I mean is excessive oil on our face and hair, and that just makes us wash our face and hair a lot more. But the best part about this brand is that they are paraben and cruelty free, which means that you can easily include them in your daily routine without any hesitation, and they are made in India. Starting with my hair. Now our moms keep telling us to use onion juice on our hair for better growth, but we never listen to them. And I get it, it gets tough to extract the juice again and again. So to make my work easier, I got my hands on their red onion hair shampoo, which is very mild and gentle on hair. So I just take few pumps of this shampoo and massage it into the roots of my wet hair right down to the ends very gently, and once that is done, I simply rinse it off with normal water and let it dry naturally. I really love the after effect of using this shampoo, as it leaves my hair soft, smooth and silky. Plus, it does not dry my hair at all and clean it very gently and gives a very nice volume to my hair as well. Also guys, because of its red onion properties, it promotes natural hair growth and hair fall कम करने में बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है and makes your hair look more shiny and healthy, which is so great. And my mom has already started using it and absolutely in love with it. And yeah, both men and women can use it, which is so great. You guys know I'm a big fan of natural products, so I decided to get their Australian tea tree foaming face wash, which is great for acne prone and oily skin just like me. Also guys, look at it. It comes with a built-in brush for deep cleansing of pores. Technology kitni बढ़ रही है यार. This is so in handy. Also guys, the bristles are way too soft on skin and it just makes the whole exfoliation process a lot more easier, especially if you have acne prone or highly sensitive skin type. Also, the texture is very light. I mean, it's very watery, which makes it very suitable for everyday use. Its gentle yet deep cleansing action helps to calm the irritated skin and leaves a fresh and glowing skin afterwards. It also has antifungal properties of neem, which is great because that helps in reducing acne causing bacteria to come back again. I think this product in particular is my favorite because this is just perfect if you're a teenager or someone who wants a clear, glowing and radiant skin. I mean, I'm just loving it. So guys, this was my tiny updated hair and skincare routine, as so many of you guys were asking for one, and I have provided the links of both the products in description box down below, so do not forget to check that out. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.